So here's how to check PC spec on Windows 11. If you want to get your Windows 11 system information, here are some ways you can get the system spec. The first way, you can click on the Windows icon and then you want to click on Settings. Under Settings, you want to make sure you're on System and then scroll down that System to the bottom and click on About. Here you'll be able to see your device specification such as device name, processor, installed RAM, device ID, and many more. You also find Windows specification in this section. You also have the option to copy the information details for pasting. Now if you want to get more system information, you can come to the search section and search for system information. Click on system information. You'll be able to find more system information on this page. You can also get more on the sidebar, such as the hardware resources, components, and software environment. You can expand on any of these to find the specific information you're looking for. So for example, to get storage information, click on the drop down on storage and you'll be able to see your drive, disk, and other system information. You also have the option to use the command prompt. Now simply come to the search section and open the command prompt by typing command prompt or CMD. Open command prompt and here you want to type in systeminfo.exe. Enter on your keyboard and this will give you more system information. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.